The iPhone Air actually doesn't feel like a gimmick. It offers pro-level performance and a powerful 48 megapixel camera along with a bright 6.5-inch display in a super thin and light design. The jury is out on the battery life, but overall this is a promising new iPhone design. The iPhone Air is one of those phones that you have to hold to believe. It is super thin and light. It feels super sturdy in your hands thanks to the titanium design. But I know what you are thinking. What about the compromises? There's not a ton here. You get a big and bright 6.5-inch OLED display, powerful A19 Pro chip, and a versatile 48 megapixel camera with 2x optical zoom. And Apple promises all the battery life too will be judged of that in our testing. There are some trade-offs when you compare the Air to the best phones. You don't get an ultra-wide lens, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have better cameras. But for $999, the iPhone Air could hit that sweet spot for lots of buyers who want incredible portability paired with pro-ish performance. The iPhone Air makes do with a single rear camera, but it's fairly versatile. The main 48 megapixel fusion camera gives you the equivalent for 4 lenses, including a 2x optical quality zoom. The camera samples on display looked impressive, but I look forward to really testing this camera out. The iPhone Air also gets an updated photonic engine that promises to capture better details and color, and the large sensor should capture quality shots in low light. The 18 megapixel center stage front camera doesn't just give you more resolution than the previous 12 megapixel front camera. The square sensor is smart enough to know when you have more people in the frame, automatically switching from portrait to landscape mode on the fly without requiring you to hold the phone any differentially. It was pretty cool to see it in person. The iPhone Air is more than just another thin phone. It promises flagship level performance in a design that feels almost impossible. I am particularly impressed with how durable this handset feels, and I'm sure there will be a lots of band tests coming out soon to put Apple's claim to the test. For me, the battery life of the iPhone Air will make or break this phone. It may not have the endurance to make our best phone battery life list, but the Air will have to last through most of your day to be worth $999.